Todo dia ela faz tudo sempre igual e sacode às 6 horas da manhã. Me sorri um sorriso pontual e me beija com a boca de hortelã. Todo dia ela diz que é pra eu me cuidar, essas coisas que diz toda mulher. Diz que está me esperando pro jantar e me beija com a boca de café. Todo dia eu só penso em poder parar, meio-dia eu só penso em dizer não. Depois penso na vida pra levar e me calo com a boca de feijão. 6 da tarde como era de se esperar.
So, welcome to sunny Finland, to Kuopio. My name is Jussi and Antti asked me to say a few words about this wine festival. This is something I do almost every year. I think it's my 6th or 7th year in a row. I was quite surprised this year because they had chosen Brazil as a team for the festival. But now I've had a few glasses already and now having very nice fruity rosé, which I think it's superb. And just in general, I think the Brazilian wines are very classy and stylish. Yeah, the fruity nose is something which overwhelms me. So just say hey back to you in the Brazil and come sometimes to sunny Finland and the nightless night.